Hey, what's up? What's up? This your boy SR Rico. If you know I'm sounding a little bit different, that's because I'm under the weather right now. My girlfriend got me sick. But yeah, y'all meet her at some point. I'll put her on video. Really nice girl though. Love her to death. But what we gonna do? I bought some. Y'all know I was running the Spectrum sludge that's in the car right now. The black stuff that's in the car right now. And that quieted the car up a lot. Some light in here so y'all can see me. There we go. Yeah, that quieted the car up a lot. So now I bought their sound deadening mat. Just that too. I think I got like 12 sheets. And we're gonna lay this down in the car. But first, we're gonna do I'm gonna put you guys up in the car and then we're gonna do a drive and see at what certain RPMs that it really vibrates. And then install the second skin. And then let's see the comparison. So let's go. Oh. Or 3300 where I get that vibration at. It's exactly at 3,000. getting up the tip. All right, I'm about to get the vacuum and clean all this up, and then we're gonna lay the sound deadening down. Let's see the difference. All right, now we got everything vacuumed, so now we're just gonna actually clean it, like wipe it down, get the dirt off of it, and then we're gonna apply the second skin. Okay boys, we back. We hit the passenger side, front and back. It was what, like I say, 1.5 sheets for the front and 1 full sheet for the rear, and I put 1 full sheet behind, well, under the seat, and like 1.5 sheets, well, not like 2 sheets under both of the seats. I was gonna do the headliner, but I do not feel like taking my headliner off right now, guys. I really don't. So I'm gonna put the seats back in. I put like one little, maybe about like a 4x5 little piece, like just stuck it under the top. I'm about to throw the seats back in, and we're gonna see the difference. We'll see how much of a difference it actually made. So okay boys, we got everything laid in. The mat down, both sides, 1 full sheet, 1 full sheet here, 1 full sheet there, 1 full sheet there, 1 full sheet there, and we did 2.5 sheets. Well, 1 sheet under the seat, 1 sheet on the other side, and 1 sheet in the back. And I also put a rubber grommet right where my exhaust was tapping this bolt. That's where that crazy rattling was coming from. But we about to see with the rubber grommet and with the sound deadening how much it changed the inside of my car. I haven't did the roof. I didn't do the headliner yet, but I'm going to. I just didn't feel like pulling my headliner out right now, but we will eventually get to that soon. So let me mount y'all up, and yeah, let me mount y'all up right here and go for a drive. Oh yeah, I can already tell the difference already. So much better. Oh, I can actually hear myself now. We're gonna get to that certain RPM and see if we get that crazy drone. Well, that rattling noise. So yeah, boys. Spectrum second skin is it. Yes. It quiet my car up amazingly. So do I recommend their product? Yes, I do. And once we add the carpet, it's gonna be even much more quieter. So yeah, second skin for the win. Recommend their product. Really good stuff. As long as you clean your surface, you know, make sure it's clean from dust and debris, and no oil, and use some scissors, measure, cut, measure twice, apply once, and you're good. You know, make sure you have a roller and roll everything down, and hey, second skin for the win. This your boy, SR Rico, and rate, comment, scissor, and I'm out though. Peace!
Welcome.